3-ingredient drink to effectively flush toxins out of the body. Negative effects of the environment, unhealthy foods, medical treatment, and many other things affect not only our appearance, but also our body, and these things can make it full of toxins. We should pay attention to our body and cleanse it when it is necessary. This function is performed by the body perfectly, except when some organs of the digestive tract or urinary system cannot work properly. In this case, you should help your colon to remove toxins from your body. The excessive accumulation of toxins is a threat to human life, since many processes continuously take place in our body. The formation of toxins is a natural process for any living organism. The first symptoms. The first signs of excess accumulation of toxins are fatigue, irritability, headaches, acne, and skin rashes. If a person continues to lead an unhealthy lifestyle, welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Diseases such as gastritis, colitis, ulcers, and even a heart attack can develop. If you experience some of these symptoms, do not hesitate. It is high time to start a detoxing program and to restore intestinal function. You do not need to visit a doctor immediately. Firstly, you should try home remedies. Home remedy recipe. This home remedy is absolutely natural, does not cost too much money, and is very effective. It contains only 3 ingredients, which you will surely find at home. But if you are pregnant, be careful and consult a doctor. You need apple juice, lemon juice, ginger juice. The instruction is simple. Take water and warm it. Be careful, it should not be very hot. After that, put a little salt there and mix it with all the juices. How to consume the beverage. Drink this mixture 3 times a day, before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You should drink it for 1 week. It will provide antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects to your body. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.